Okay, as always, we're gonna go. Ooh, girl. This right here has to be, is the only fake scalp that has sold me on the fake scalp. Period. Y'all just gonna have to deal with the fan because I'm hot. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. I'm coming to you in surround sound, baby. I'm about to piss a lot of y'all off with the laugh now. Anywho, let's go ahead and hop right into this. Now, they are claiming this is better than the original XRbeauty units, baby. Okay, new and improved. So let's go ahead, hop right into this beauty. Once again, by XRbeauty. Okay, as always, we're going to go ahead and do a first impression on this unit. Fresh out of the pack, they did take the liberty to put 2 braids into it, which is cute. Okay. I'm not going to go too much into the cap construction right now. I'm just going to go ahead and place this on my head. Listen, look, girl. Okay, so the cap fit is actually really nice. I don't usually have a problem with their units. This one, it's in the ballpark of big head friendly, okay? I do have coverage on the sides, and the hairline, as always, is just A1. Top tier when it comes to plucking their units. This is definitely one of those units that is very, very beginner friendly. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the braids. You know, it's kind of kiddie for me, but we're gonna see if we can make it work. I think it, you know, it serves a purpose. So yeah, baby. Okay, let's do this. Listen, I don't even have this glued down yet, and we are already giving scalp-ish, baby. Now, my plan was to actually show you this side cut off, but we're gonna go ahead and do this side. Now, I am a little worried because I don't have a lot of coverage on the sides, but hold on, sis.
I spray, give you all what your life is. I know what I say. Give me baby girl another night, yeah. When you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring up the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. When I glow every time you come in, be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no no no. Yeah, every time she wants something, she call and check in. You know, I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Fanta. Danger how she move, no panta. Hey, hey, tepe, niña tombong banta, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to, baby, nice walk, oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way bags and clothes from your ATM. just like the ocean. Yeah, like the ocean. Keep it in known with my man, some distance from the ocean. Wavy, like the ocean, baby. Yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said, bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back, and close from your ATM.
Boom. Okay, what we thinking? Chris Beauty, baby. They done did it again. So just a couple of specs on this unit before we get into the details. This is their single notch straight hair 13x6 lace front layered edge human hair wig. I do have this in 18-inch, 150% density. Now usually traditionally with Chris Beauty, if you're familiar with their wigs, they're a little bit on the pricey side, okay? But you get what you pay for. So with this unit, they are considering this a more affordable option compared to the traditional clear lace unit, but there are some things that you do want to take into consideration. Now this one is actually $70 to $80 cheaper, more affordable than the clear lace option, and they are also offering you 15% off of your purchase. So this unit actually comes in at $222.70. Baby, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, job done for you. That's a deal. First and foremost, when it comes to Chris Beauty units, pretty much straightforward out of the box. You saw the first impression. The hairline is always top tier quality. If you are a beginner or a pro, baby, they got you covered. Now as far as the cap fit on here, as I mentioned, I was a little bit worried about the lace on the sides, but it did work out to my advantage. I did go ahead and use the Olive Oils wig grip gel underneath on my own hair to make sure I could get all of my edges swoopity swooped and shellacked back. I did also follow up with the edge gel along the ear tabs, just some really subtle baby hairs there just to swoop it back and make it look as natural as possible. Now another option you do have is you could pull this unit just a teeny forward to make it fit your head, but as I mentioned, this is more big head ballpark, okay, not all the way there. Now since this is a more affordable option, they are not using the clear lace on here. This is going to be more of a traditional lace. However, baby, single knots, baby. Now traditionally double knots are going to be a little bit bigger. They are also going to be harder to bleach. Now with the single knots, they do give you more of an undetectable look, and they are super easy to bleach. Now with this unit, they did also include a fake scalp, and listen, let me tell you, let's take a moment, a real serious moment. This right here has to be, is the only fake scalp that has sold me on the fake scalp, period. Usually traditionally with the fake scalp, it starts at the hairline and you have that harsh line of demarcation that could be really hard to get rid of. Baby, they took it back, no problems. Now you will see just a slight difference. I did follow up with the even lace tint spray just so I can make sure that the blend looked as presentable as possible, and I think it still came together nicely. I did not have to cut anything out of this fake scalp, baby. This is truly a get up, throw on, and go. Boom. Now if you are a darker complexion such as myself, do use the rule, less is more, baby. Because once you go dark on this lace, it's really hard to take it off. So tread lightly when it comes to the lace tint and you will not have a problem. But I think this came out really good. I know some people are going to have an issue with the density, but I'm actually really okay with this, baby. Especially since it's summer, and honey, I know y'all in that 95, 100 degree weather, some of y'all having them heat flashes. Bing. And you ain't got time for all that density. So I think this came out really good. The length is good. It's nice and soft. It takes the heat really well. It laid really flat out of the box, and I didn't have to do anything at all but cut the lace. So yes, baby, I am definitely sold on this unit. If you are interested in checking out the information for Xrs Beauty, I will have a direct link in the description box down below. Do not forget to enter that coupon code for 50% off. If you are interested in any of the items that I do use to install my units or makeups, definitely check out my Amazon storefront. Everything in the description box down below, baby. Y'all know what I say. Shop accordingly, swipe that card accordingly, slay accordingly. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep loving on yourself. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.